Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this flat griddle for viewing purposes. Let's take it out of the box that comes. Okay, as you can see, it has a nice size to it, and it comes with the handlebars. Okay, these ones we have to place them on, and also have those screws to place them on, which I think that it's great. And we have the information on how to take care of it, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, first I'm gonna place these handles on both sides. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, and as you can see, just placing the handles really quick, we have it ready to use, and I'm gonna use it right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, now that I've turned on my stove, I'm gonna wait to heat up and test it out. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a really nice stovetop griddle that it's like about the size of two large burners, and I think that it's perfect to use on electric stoves, gas stoves, or you could even use it on campfire, which I think that it's great. It also has a really great non-stick and non-rust surface, making it ideal for making breakfast or any kind of food that you want over it. It has a mesh design underside so it evenly heats up, and it has the heatproof handles, making it really easy to carry and use it when it's really hot. It's also dishwasher safe, so you can throw it in up on the dishwasher or evenly wash at hand, which is really easy. Okay, and as you can see, you have much space in here to cook breakfast, some burgers, whatever you want, some hot dogs. You have plenty of space ready, and it has these upper walls, so whatever we have cooking right here doesn't splash or go away, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's great. It has an excellent size, and it doesn't weigh that much long, which I think that is great. It's easy to take care of it, and overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend that. See you guys.